A recreation center ordered a total of 15 tricycles and bicycles. So hang on. They ordered 15 tricycles and bicycles from a sporting goods store. The number of wheels for the tricycles and the bicycles totaled 38. Okay, so we need to create a system. So we want to write a linear system of equations where T represents the number of tricycles and B represents the number of bicycles ordered. All right, so in order to do this, we know that the total number of bicycles and tricycles, so the total number of bicycles and tricycles was equal to 15. So altogether, there were 15 bicycles and tricycles. I don't know why I put C. It should have been T. So 15 tricycles and bicycles. And then the total wheels for the tricycles and the bicycles. So we know that the bicycles have 2 wheels, and the tricycles have means 3 wheels. And all together, those total to 38 wheels. All right, so if they total to 38 wheels, this would be our system of equations. However, now it wants us to graph this system of equations where B is the y variable and T is the x variable. So we want to think about B kind of functioning as the y variable and T functioning as the x variable. So we need to get these in the form of what would normally be y equals mx plus b. So in the form of y equals mx plus b, but here, hang on, sorry, I'm trying to color code it. Y equals mx plus b, but here, b is our tricycle, so we're going to want to do, b is our bicycle, so that's our y value. So b equals mt plus b. So we want to get it in this form. So we're going to take these expressions and get them in the form b equals mt plus y, b equals mt plus b. And b, this b here, let's make it big B, is going to be our y-intercept. And little b will be our bicycles. All right, so we have b plus t. So we have b plus t. All right, so b plus t. All right, so we have, hang on. All right, so we have b plus t is equal to 15. So we're going to want to subtract t from both sides, and these will cancel out. So we're left with b is equal to negative t plus 15. So negative t plus 15. All right, and now we need to take our second equation and also get this into b equals mt plus big B. All right, so in order to do this, we are going to subtract 3t from both sides. That way we can start to isolate b. So 2b is equal to negative 3t plus 38. And now we're going to divide both sides by 2 to isolate b. And we're left with b is equal to negative 3 over 2 times t. So the 2 goes into both the negative 3 and into the 38. And 38 divided by 2 is 19. And we can see that these are now two equations that we want to graph. And in front of this negative t is like having -1, a slope of -1. So we're going to graph both of these equations. So let's first graph this one here. All right, so this means that there's a y-intercept of 15, so a b-intercept of 15, and a slope of -1. So the left one and down one. And we have our line. Rise over run is -1 over 1. Hang on, I'm just getting a ruler or a straight edge. That's not gonna work, I'm gonna have to sketch it. All right. All right, and here's my equation. B is equal to -t plus 15. And now I am going to graph the next one here. So we have a y-intercept of 19 and a slope of -3 over 2. So we're going to go down 3 over 2, down 3 over 2. And we have this equation, which is b is equal to -3 over 2t plus 19. And here is our systems. And where they intersect here just represents when both equations have the same number of wheels. So solution would be, in order for here, they would have to make 7 tricycles and 8 bicycles. So the answer would be 7, 8. So 7 tricycles and 8 bicycles.